All right, my beautiful people. So, just a little bit of quick update at the moment, with Jamaica. Hurricane season is around the corner. All right, we don't know what's going on, but remember that hurricane season is just around the corner. So we have to be prepared and get ourselves organized for this hurricane season. All right, when the hurricane season come, we know so everybody all right and everybody is happy. You understand? All right. So what you guys gonna do? Prepare on yourself for hurricane season. All right. So you need to make sure you get on a radar, on a backup electric, like whatever power bank or whatever you want to have. You make sure you prepare for the hurricane season because times and time are change at the moment. All right. A good vibes. But leave your comments and tell me what you guys think about the hurricane season, which is coming up very soon. You know what I mean? Right now, it's spring now in the UK. And yeah, the time is moving fast, man. I can't believe it is March already. You understand? So, September is not too far away from here, so. March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Time is moving very quickly. So, let's get ourselves together, man. A good vibes. Bless upon ourselves by Jamaican people. A good vibes.